अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। क्वेश्चन 1, there are two questions. The one is linear and the other is quadratic. Now let's start. The first question is x plus y is equal to 5. That's question 1. And the second is x square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. It is the second question. Now we take the one value from question 1 and put in the second. In substitute. Now take from question 1. Question 1, x plus y is equal to 5. And we take here y is equal to 5 minus x. It is question 3. And now we put the question 3 in question 2. Put a question 3 in a question 2. We get x square minus 2 into 5 minus x minus 14 is equal to 0. Now simplify it. X square minus 10 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. And now simplify it. Sorry, first we arrange, then simplify. X square plus 2x minus 10 minus 14 we get minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we factorize the question, which is x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. Here x take common, x plus 6 and the other is minus 4, x plus 6 is equal to 0, and the answer is x plus 6 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this question we get two values of x, which are x plus 6 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 6, and the other is x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now we put these two values of x, which is x minus 6 and x is equal to 4, in equation 3. Put in equation 3. We get y is equal to 5 minus the value of x is minus 6. Simplify it. 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11, and the other is y is equal to 5 minus 4, which is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we get the two values of x and y, which are solution set is minus 6 and 11, and other is 4 and 1. Question number 2, in which the one equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 1, and the other value is x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 1. In the same way, we take the value of y from 1, it is equation 1, and it is equation 2. From 1, 3x minus 2y is equal to 1, and we get 2y is equal to 3x minus 1 and y is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. It is equation 3. Now we put the question 3 in Question 3, whose value is y is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. In question 2, put question 3 in question 2. We get x square plus x into 3x minus 1 over 2 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Now we solve this question, which is x square plus, we multiply x in the bracket, we get 3x square minus x over 2. Here is y square minus, take the square of 3x minus 1 over 2, we get 9x square plus 1 minus 6x over 4 is equal to 1. Further, we multiply both sides 4 by 4. Multiply by 4 both sides. We get 4x square plus 4 into 3x square minus x over 2 minus 4 into 9x square plus 1 minus 6x over 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 1. And now we simplify these values. 4x square, 2 cancel with 4, we get 2. 2 3s are 6x square minus 2x, 4 cancel with 4, and multiply by minus, we get minus 9x square minus 1 plus 6x is equal to 4. And now we further simplify these values. We have 4x square plus 6x square minus 9x square. We get plus 4x, and the next is minus 1. And we take the 4 which is on the right side, we shift in the left side, 4 is equal to 0. The question is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we solve this question, which is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Take common x plus 5, the other is minus 1, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5, x minus 1 is equal to 0. In this way, we get the two values of x, which are x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5, or x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. And now we put these two values of x, x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 1 in equation 3. Put in equation 3. We get y is equal to 3 into 5 minus 1 over 2. Simplify it. 3 5s are 15, minus 15 minus 1 over 2 is equal to minus 16 over 2. We get y is equal to minus 8. And the other value is y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 over 2. 3 1s are 3 minus 1 over 2. We get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 over 2. And the value of y is equal to 1. So the solution set of question 2 is, the first is x minus 5 and minus 8, and the second is 1 and y is also 1. Now we take question 3, in which x minus y is equal to 7 and the other value is 2 over x minus 5 over y is equal to 2. So we solve question in standard form, which is 2 over x minus 5 over y is equal to 2. Take LCM xy. The values we have 2y minus 5x is equal to 2, and the value is 2y minus 5x is equal to 2xy. Now this is question 1 and it is question 2. From question 1, x minus y is equal to 7, y is equal to x minus 7. It is question 3. Now we put the value of equation 3 in equation 2. Put the value of y in equation 2. We get 2x minus 7 minus 5x is equal to 2x into x minus 7. Now we simplify these values. We get 2x minus 14 minus 5x is equal to 2x square minus 14x. Now simplify these values. We get 2x square minus 14x. We shift the left hand side values on the right hand side and we get 2x minus 5x, we get 3x, and on the other side it is plus 3x. Minus 40, on the other side it is plus 40 is equal to 0. Now further simplify, we get 2x square minus 11x plus 40 is equal to 0. Now factorize the equation. We get 2x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now simplify it. 2x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 0. Take common x from here. We get 2x minus 7 and minus 2. We get 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x minus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then we find the values of x from both the questions. We get 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 7, and x is equal to 7 over 2. And the other value of x is equal to x minus 2 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2. Here are the two values of x, which is 7 over 2, and x is equal to 2. Now we put the values of x in question 3. Put in question 3. We get y is equal to x minus 7. We get 7 over 2 minus 7. LCM 7. 7 minus 14 is equal to minus 7 over 2. And the other value, y is equal to 2 minus 7. We get it is minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5. So the questions, our solution set of the question is 7 over 2 and minus 7 over 2. And the other is 2 minus 5. In which the questions are x plus y is equal to a minus b, and the other value is, and it is question 1, and the other value is a over x minus b over y is equal to 2. First we solve the second equation first, means simplify, take common xy, ay minus bx is equal to 2, and now we multiply xy with 2, we can see it cross multiply. We get ay minus bx is equal to 2xy, and it is the question 2. From question 1, question 1, x plus y is equal to a minus b, and y is equal to a minus b minus x. And we can say it is equation 3. Now we put the value of y into, put y in equation 2. We get a bracket a minus b minus x minus bx is equal to 2x, and the value of y is equal to a minus b minus x. Now we simplify these values, we get a square minus ab minus ax minus bx is equal to 2ax minus 2bx minus 2x square. Now we simplify these values and shift it on the left side. Minus 2x square we get here plus 2x square, minus 2bx we get plus 2bx, and plus 2ax we get minus 2ax, and the remaining values are minus ax minus bx plus a square minus ab is equal to 0. And then again we simplify these values, we get 2x square plus 2bx, with minus 2bx we get 1bx, minus 2ax minus ax we get minus 3ax, and the last value is a square minus ab is equal to 0. And then 2x square plus, we take x common from here, b minus 2a, sorry, b minus 3a into x plus a square minus ab is equal to 0. And this is the quadratic equation, and we solve it by applying the quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to b minus 3a, and c is equal to a square minus a. And the quadratic equation is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. Now we put the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula, with which minus b is equal to b minus 3a plus minus b minus 3a whole square minus 4 into 2 is x is sorry, a is 2 and c is equal to a square minus ab square root over 2 into 2. Now we simplify the quadratic formula, we get minus b minus 3a plus minus, take square of b minus 3a, we get b square plus 9a square minus 6ab, and we multiply these values. 4 2s are 8 into a square minus ab over 2 2s are 4. Further, b minus 3a plus minus, further simplified, b square plus 9a square minus 6ab minus 8a square plus 8ab square root over 4 minus b 3a plus minus, simplify these values in the square root, we get b square plus 9a square minus 8a square, we get a square minus 6ab plus 8ab, we get plus 2ab square root over 4. And next, b minus 3a plus minus, it is a complete square of b plus a whole square over 4. Now we get minus b minus 3a Square and square root cancel each other. We get b plus a over 4. Now we find the two values of x, which are x is equal to minus b minus 3a plus b plus a over 4, and x is equal to minus b minus 3a minus b plus a over 4. Now simplify these values. For the value of x, we get x is equal to minus b plus 3a plus b plus. Now we get the value of x by simplifying these values, which is x is equal to minus b minus 3a plus b plus a over 4. Simplify it. Minus b plus 3a b plus a. Minus b cancel with plus b. We get 3a plus a, which is 4a over 4. 4 cancel with 4, we get 3. Oh, sorry, we get a. So the value of x, x is equal to a. It is first value of the x, and the second value of x we get minus b minus 3a minus b plus a. Now we simplify it. Minus b plus 3a minus b minus a over 4. Simplify these values. Minus b and minus b we get minus 2b plus 3a minus a we get plus 2a, and we write it also 2a minus 2b over 4. Take common 2 from 2a minus 2b, we get 2 into a minus b over 4. This 2 cancel with 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and the remaining values of x we get is x minus b over 2, and it is the second value of x. Now we put the value of these two x in the question third and get the value of y. Put in equation third, we get y is equal to a minus b minus a. This a cancel with a, we get minus b. Y is equal to minus b, and the other value of y is equal to a minus b minus a minus b over 2. We take LCM, which is 2, multiply by 2, a minus b minus a plus b. Simplify these values, we get 2a minus 2b minus a plus b over 2. 2a minus a we get a, minus 2b plus b we get minus b over 2, and it is the second value of y. So the solution set is, we write first x, mean x is a and y is minus b. It is the first solution set, and the second solution set is x is equal to a minus b over 2, and this y is also a minus b over 2. And question 5, it is a we use the second method, or you can say the other method, to solve the two questions. The first question is x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 10, and the second question is x square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1. Now first we solve this question, or you can say simplify this question. We get x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 10. And further we simplify it. X square plus y square minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 1. X square plus y square minus 2y is equal to 9. And you can say it question 1. And the other question is x square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1. Now we subtract these two questions. Minus, minus, minus and minus. These two values cancel each other. The other values are minus 2y minus 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. And now we simplify these values. For the question third, we get 2y is equal to minus 4x minus 8 and y is equal to minus 4x minus 8 over 2. We take common from the numerator 2. The other value is minus 2x minus 4 over 2 and we cancel each other. The y is equal to minus 2x minus 4. And it is the question third. Now we put the value of y in question 1. Put the value of y in a question 1. We get x square plus minus 2x minus 4 whole square minus 2 into minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 9. Now we solve these values. X square plus 4x square plus 16 plus 4 2s are 8 2s are 16x minus multiply by minus plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 9. And now we simplify these values. X square plus 4x square we get 5x square. 16x plus 4x we get 20x. 16 plus 8 we get 24 and we shift this minus on the left side, it is minus 9 is equal to 0. And then simplify 5x square plus 20x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here we take common 5. The other values are x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And now we divide 5 both sides and we get divided by 5. We get x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And now we solve these values by factorization. X square 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Take common x from these two values, x plus 3, and take common 1 from these two values, we get x plus 3. And from the whole values, we take x plus 3 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this way we get the two values of x, which are x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, and now we take the two values of x. First we take common x plus 3 and x plus 3 from the question. We get x plus 3 into x plus 1. And in this way we get the two values of x, which are x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. The other value of x is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. And these two values of x we put in question 3. We get y is equal to minus 2 into minus 3 and minus 4. Simplify it, minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 we get plus 6, minus 4, the answer is 2, mean y is equal to 2. And the other value of y is